Part 6. Common mistakes learners make and how to fix them. Welcome to Part 6, where we uncover the real obstacles in your English learning journey. You've started your mission, you're speaking more, you're getting confident. But wait, there are some silent enemies that stop your progress. Let's identify them and destroy them, one by one. Darjan mistake. 1. I will speak only when I'm perfect. The problem. Waiting for perfection is the biggest trap. You think, I'll speak when my grammar is correct, when I know more words, when I sound like a native speaker. The fix. Start speaking today. Not when you're perfect, but when you're willing. Mistakes are your teachers. Fluency grows with usage, not waiting. Don't wait to be perfect. Start and grow perfect. Mistake 2. I only watch, I don't practice. The problem? Watching English videos is great, but only watching won't help if you don't repeat, speak, and interact. It's like watching gym videos but never exercising. The fix. Follow the 30-70 rule. Spend 30% of time watching and learning, 70% of time practicing and speaking. Say what you see, copy what you hear. Practice is power. Mistake 3. I'm too shy or ashamed to speak in front of others. The problem. Many learners fear judgment. What if I say something wrong? People will laugh. The fix. Speak in front of a mirror first. Record your voice. Build confidence alone, then in groups. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. They may laugh for a second, but your success will shine forever. Mistake 4. I memorize grammar rules but can't speak. The problem. Learning grammar is important, but if you only memorize rules and don't use them in sentences, your speech won't grow. The fix. Learn grammar in action. Use real-life examples. For every rule you study, make 5 spoken sentences using that rule. Example. Rule. Present. Simple tense. Usage. I go to school. She eats rice. We play football. Mistake 5. I learn 100 words but can't use them. The problem. Learning vocabulary without using it is like collecting tools but never building anything. The fix. Learn 10 words. Use each in a sentence. Say them, write them, speak them. Daily use makes words stick. Tip. Learn words in context, not in isolation. Mistake 6. I give up too early. The problem? You start strong for 3 days, then stop. You think, maybe English is not for me. The fix. Success needs consistency. Don't try to be perfect in 3 days. Be persistent for 30 days. 3 minutes daily is better than 3 hours once a month. Winners are not the fastest starters. They are the ones who don't quit. Mistake 7. I compare myself with others. The problem? My friend speaks better. She's faster. He's more fluent. Comparison kills motivation. The fix? Compare yourself with your past self. Were you better than yesterday? That's your real progress. Final reminder. If you avoid these 7 mistakes, your English will not just improve. It will fly. So repeat after me. I will not wait to be perfect. I will not fear mistakes. I will not stop in the middle. I will speak, speak, speak every day. Your accent doesn't matter. Your grammar will improve, but your courage, that's what will take you forward. See you in Part 7. Smart English Learning Strategies. Tools, apps, and secrets to learn faster. Let's keep learning the smart way.